All right, guys, good morning. My name is Chooks. I'm a chief instructor and coach, forest coach. Okay. So, guys, I'm back this morning to continue with the review and follow up of the trade setup we had on gold. Like I told us, from the analysis stage to the looking for a good setup to the entry to the management of the trade and possibly eventually to the take profit targets that we've set for this trade. Okay, so guys, those of you who have been following this trade setup, you know where we are now. Okay, we've been in this trade since the market pulled back the structure. Okay, and we took a buy, and this is where we are now. Okay, the market has made well over. Let me see from here to here. The market has made over. The market has made we've made over 200 and the market has made over 2071 pips. Okay, over 2071 pips. Okay, so you should know how to calculate gold. Okay, when you know how to calculate the pip of gold, you understand what I'm saying. It's different from the regular currency pays. Okay, so just know how to do that. All right. That if you go to my to my YouTube channel, you'll see how to calculate the pips on gold. Okay, and so that you'll be able to estimate and appreciate how well this trade has gone into our direction. Okay, so guys, what to do now is trade management. You manage your trade. So for me, I've taken some partial profits when the market was somewhere around here. I took some partial profit. Then it pulled back and continued, rallying. Okay, so I take some partial profits. So also now I'm going to go back to take additional partial profit and let the remaining trade run till take profit. Okay, so let me show you my MT4 where I took this trade. You can see we're already at $61 profit. I've already taken some partial profit. Okay, so I'm going to take additional partial profits here. Okay, so guys, I will show you how to do that. You right click here, you go to modify order. From modify order on this type field, you click on market execution. When you click on market execution, you come here and reduce the lot size. Okay, you reduce the lot size to 2. Okay, now I want to close this portion of the trade and leave one micro lot size. Okay, so I'm going to take this partial profit. Okay, if I want to take say two partial one micro lot partial profit, I will change here to 1. Okay, and I will take this profit and let the other run. Okay, so after you do that, you come here and click this button, close this buy trade with this lot size. Okay, by market, boom, it will close it. Okay, so you can see it has taken some partial profits. When you go back to your account history and you scroll down, you see that it took a partial profit of $20. Okay, and left, it took partial profit of $20 and left well over 40 dollars running. Okay, I can still take additional partial profit if I want, because I have two micro loss size. I can still take additional one partial profit. Okay, so guys, let me show you how to do that. You come here, you just right click here, this drop down menu will pop up, then you click on modify or delete order. When you come here, you change this type to from modify to market execution. Then you now come and reduce this lot size to 0.01. Okay, you will take partial profit here and leave the other portion to run. Okay, so I want to take additional partial profit. I've taken $20 plus, I've left $20 to run. Okay, so guys, this is how you manage your trade. Hopefully, the market is going to hit our take profit before uh, the market closes today. So what I want to do here now, I want to like move my stop loss to about break even. Okay, so I want to move my stop loss to break even. So I left click and drag it slightly above the entry price. Boom. So this is break even. Okay, this break even. So in the event that this market pulls back you when I'm not there, it will just take me out with zero loss. Okay. All right. So guys, this is how to manage your trade. I hope this is clear. I hope you understand how to do this. If you don't, go to my YouTube channel. You will see the videos that I did explaining all these trade management, tactics or strategies. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you very much. That's all I have for you today. Today is Friday. I don't do trading. I only manage existing trades that I have running. Okay. So, guys, have a wonderful weekend and God bless you. Bye bye.